Hi, I'm Lauren, and this is, and we're putting together a blog called Motorcycle Sidecar Drama. What?
You don't know my name, do you?
Of course I do, buddy.
Okay, what's my name?
Your name?
Mm-hmm.
Your real name or the one you were born with?
It's all the same.
Well, of course it's the same. It's obviously the same.
Okay.
Your name is P.F. Chang?
Wow.
Hi, I'm Lauren. This is Jack, and we're putting together a blog called Motorcycle Sidecar Drama.
Dude, these 3D glasses are awesome. You feel like you're actually there.
Did you feel that?
Yes! Hi, I'm Jack.
And I'm Lauren.
And we're putting together a blog called Motorcycle Sidecar Drama.
What's this we thing?
What?
All you do is sit there eating Pringles talking about those bitches on The View.
That is a bold-faced lie.
Oh, Elizabeth Hasselbeck, your hair is so golden. I want to touch your shoulders.
That's not... Shut up, Lauren!
Ooh, good one. Hi, I'm Lauren.
And I'm Jack.
And we're putting together a blog called Motorcycle Sidecar Drama.
But that's not all. Tell him.
Tell them what?
She's having a baby!
What? No, I'm not.
Aww, what happened to the baby?
I am not having a baby. I'm not having a baby. What the hell is wrong with you?
She's a breaking out, drowning slow.